Level 4 is just using order of operations to simplify the expressions. So remember your good old family member, Aunt Sally. Alright, so we're going to use PEMDAS here. So looking at number 1, or letter A, no parentheses, no exponents, but I do see multiplication and division. So I'm going to do both at the same time, and I do it from left to right. So here I've got 16 divided by 8 times 3. So I have to do those from left to right. 16 divided by 8 is 2. And then I'm just going to bring everything down. Times 3 plus 3 minus 15 over 5. Now I can do the multiplication. 2 times 3 is 6 plus 3 minus 15 over 5. Now maybe some of you recognize that 15 over 5, that's the same thing as division. 15 divided by 5 is 3. So I have 6 plus 3 minus 3. So again, I got to go from left to right now that I have both addition and subtraction. 6 plus 3 is 9. 9 minus 3 is 6. Alright, in B, now I have parentheses, so I have to do those first. So I'm going to add 4 plus 3, which is 7, and bring down everything around it as it stands. And then I'm also going to do negative 15 divided by 5, which is negative 3. Okay, now I'm going to multiply. I got 2 times 7, but I'm going to take the sign in front of it and think about negative 2 times 7, which gives me a negative 14. Bringing everything down. I see I have a negative and a negative here. Remember, when you have double negatives, those turn positive, just like if you multiply it, because you think about that negative out in front as a negative 1. Negative 1 times negative 3 is a positive 3. So working from left to right, 3 minus 14 is negative 11, plus 3 is negative 8. Okay, and last but not least, when you have fractions, you've got to do the top first, and then you're going to take care of the bottom, and then you're going to divide them separately. So when you have 4 plus 1/2, now shortcut would just tell me that's 4 and 1/2. And when you turn that into a mixed number, that's 9 over 2. If you really needed to, you could put this over 1, find a common denominator, and then add them together. Same thing with 2 minus 1/4. Okay, I think of how many quarters it would take me to get to a whole, and that's 3/4. And then 2 minus 1 is 1 3/4. Again, put this over 1, find a common denominator, you'll get there. Otherwise, 1 3/4 turn into a mixed number, or an improper fraction. 4 times 1 is 4, 4 plus 3 is 7. Okay, and now that you've got 9 over 2 divided by 7 over 4, I'm going to take the second fraction, flip it upside down, and multiply by the first. Before I do that, I'm going to cross simplify the 2 and the 4, and make it a little bit easier for me to multiply. 9 times 2 is 18, 1 times 7 is 7, and I can't simplify that at all.